When it comes to portable Bluetooth speakers, boAt is definitely one of the brands we consider nowadays, as for past couple of years the company has consistently delivered us with good quality audio-centric products. In this video we are gonna look into the boAt Rugby Portable Bluetooth speaker, which I bought from Amazon for around 1600 Indian rupees, and the best buy link of which will be provided in the description. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so as the name suggests, the design of the speaker has been inspired from a rugby ball. Overall, the speaker is compact and has a good grip to it. But I don't know why this rubberized material is so loose. Like, if you want, you can literally open this. Anyways, on the front you get a metal mesh underneath which lies two 5-watt speakers which provide you a total of 10-watt output. On the top you get all the buttons that you need, starting from volume control to play and pause. On the left you get a micro USB port for charging, an aux input along with a mic just above it so that you can take calls via the speaker. On the right side of the speaker you get a strap which you can use to hang the speaker or just carry it around. And on the bottom you get absolutely nothing other than some information about the speaker. And finally, on the back you get a passive radiator which provides you with a dynamic depth to the audio. The pairing process of the speaker is also pretty simple. Just press and hold the power button for a few seconds and you get into the pairing mode. Now just simply connect the speaker with your device and you're good to go.
Pairing successful.
Okay, let's now talk audio quality. Overall, I would say it sounds pretty amazing, which sums up why there are so many good reviews in Amazon. The bass level is pretty good and so are the mids and high. It doesn't get distorted at high volume and that's a good thing too. Here's a quick sample so that you guys can have a rough idea of how it sounds.
So won't you please stay up in you're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay up in you're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So I hope that you have got a rough idea of how the audio quality is. Anyways, talk about the battery life. It's exactly what the company claims it to be, that is around 8 to 9 hours of playback, but it may vary depending upon your usage pattern. And when it comes to the battery cell itself, it's an 1800 mAh battery which takes around 3 to 3.5 hours to get fully charged, and once the speaker is fully charged the red light indicator turns off and yes, you can listen to music while the speaker is charging. Okay, so to conclude, I would say the speaker is pretty good for the price that you pay, and if you are to buy the speaker you wouldn't be disappointed. The only thing the company missed out on is any sort of IP rating, so you should definitely keep the speaker away from water. So that's all for this video guys. I hope that you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's Ryan from the Tech Info signing off. Have a nice day guys. Peace.